In this weird world of big social media followings of like hundreds of thousands to millions of followers, a small business owner like me can easily assume that in order to make a good living, I've got to have followers or email subscribers or eventual customers in the hundreds of thousands or millions. In reality, it turns out you only need 1,000. Back in 2008, the editor of Wired magazine, Kevin Kelly, wrote this article that was almost prophetic regarding the online business movement that we are knee deep in today. It was called 1000 True Fans, and it's a game changing concept. Take a listen. To be a successful creator, you don't need millions. You don't need millions of dollars or millions of customers, millions of clients, or millions of fans. To make a living as a craftsperson, photographer, musician, designer, author, animator, app maker, entrepreneur, or inventor, you need only thousands of true fans. A true fan is defined as a fan that will buy anything you produce. These diehard fans will drive 200 miles to see you sing. They'll buy the hardback and paperback and audible versions of your book. They'll purchase your next figurine sight unseen. They'll pay for the best of DVD version of your free YouTube channel. They will come to your chef's table once a month. If you have roughly 1,000 true fans like this, also known as super fans, you can make a living if you're content to make a living, but not a fortune. Here's how the math works. You need to meet two criteria. First, you have to create enough each year that you can earn, on average, $100 profit from each true fan. Now, that's easier to do in some arts and businesses than others, but it's a good creative challenge in every area because it is always easier and better to give your existing customers more than it is to find new fans. Second, you must have a direct relationship with your fans. That is, they must pay you directly. You get to keep all of their support, unlike the small percent of their fees you might get from a music label, publisher, studio, retailer, or other intermediate. If you keep the full $100 of each true fan, then you need only 1,000 of them to earn $100,000 per year. That's a living for most folks. What people loved about this article and what I've loved about it since I heard about it a decade ago was that it does the simple math for us. It takes the concept of, oh, I got to make a living with this business. How am I ever going to make enough money? To saying, well, what would be an ideal amount of money? Okay, well, a lot of people say $100,000 US would be an amazing amount of money. And according to the research, that would give you a really good living in most parts of the country. Okay, $100,000. How do I get that? Well, if you could earn $100 from a super fan every year, you'd only need 1,000 super fans. $100 doesn't seem that hard to sell. It's not like he's asking me to sell $1,000 product or $2,000 product. I think I could sell $100 to somebody worth of product. And then I would only need 1,000 of those types of customers that love everything I'm doing to sustain a six-figure income and living. I love the simplicity of it because it gives us something simple and targetable to reach. It doesn't make it this big looming goal of I need to make lots of money or I need to make six figures. It makes it more specific. I need to make $100,000 and therefore I need 1,000 fans paying me $100. Now, there's a lot of ways you can extrapolate this out. So let's work out some brief examples of the math. Maybe you'll get your wheels spinning. I teach this a lot of times to musicians on the recording revolution side of things because many of them want to make a living off their music and they're having a hard time just selling their music through streaming platforms or through Apple Music or iTunes. And I say, look, selling music is kind of a dead art. Okay. Music used to be the way you made money. You'd sell it, people would buy CDs. They don't really do that anymore. They just listen to it for free. So that can't be your main source of income. But what you could do if you're a musician is create an online fan site. And with this online fan site, you could give people access to live music streams every month and behind the scenes videos while you write songs and come up with lyrics and record. And you can invite them into songwriting sessions. They can help you write lyrics to your songs, or you can give them merch, or you could give them VIP tickets to whatever concert they come to if you're in their town, all kinds of cool perks. And they would only pay you $8 a month to have access to your fan site. At $8 a month, you only need 1,041 customers to make $100,000. That's it. You don't need a record label, you don't need a million subscribers on YouTube. You just need to give out your music to enough people. That's your free content. Grow your audience online, content marketing, and then offer them a simple $8 a month fan site subscription where they get all this cool stuff. If you get 1,041 of them paying you every month, $8, guess what? You are a six-figure business owner. Or if you follow a lot of the models that I teach here, let's say you are a education-based company like I'm trying to teach you to be, take your knowledge and your skills and use it to help and impact other people by teaching them through videos or blog articles or podcasts or whatever. If you were to build out a membership site, and again, I've talked about membership sites before, that cost $25 a month, let's say, to become a member to get ongoing monthly content, live access, community, exclusive trainings, all that cool stuff, you would only need 333 members to make $100,000 a year. Now, 333 certainly is a lot of people, but that's not that much if you're creating content online and growing and growing and growing. Again, you don't need a million followers. You don't need a big social following. You don't even need a big email list. You just need 333 people to join your membership. Or let's say you wanted a more high touch, valuable group coaching platform where you charge 97 bucks a month. You would only need 86 true fans or 86 customers paying you $97 a month to make $100,000 a year. So it'd be a smaller group where you could engage with them more, offer them more value, and you still hit that six-figure mark. So as you see, depending on how much you charge for your product or your subscription or whatever it is, you don't need as many fans. Or if you want to charge even less, you'll need more fans. Or if you don't need $100,000, maybe you only need $50,000 from your online business. Hallelujah. That would be nice to have in passive income. Then you only need 500 true fans paying you $8 a month, or only 150 members paying you $25 a month, or only 42 people paying you $97 a month in your group coaching. You do the math. You have your own goals. The point is, and what Kevin Kelly brilliantly did was take the ambiguous of, oh, I would love to make money with my business, or I'd love to make money as an artist or as a freelancer, but I don't know how to do it. I'm not making enough money. He took all that nonsense and all this obsession with big and massive reach and having big followings, and he broke it down into something very achievable and simple. He said, all you need is 1,000 super fans paying you $100 a year for something. $100 a year from 1,000 super fans and you're set. You can make a really comfortable living. Now, maybe you're at the beginning of this journey and you're thinking, okay, great theory, Graham. Great theory, Kevin. How does this work in the real world? How do you actually find and get those true fans? I get that maybe I don't need a million, I only need 1,000, but where am I getting 1,000 paying customers? I'll tell you where. I want to give you a simple 30-day step by step plan to go from no true fans to enough true fans where you're starting to make money 30 days from now. You won't be doing six figures 30 days from now. You won't be doing $50,000 30 days from now, but you will be making money if you follow these steps. And what you'll be doing is building the infrastructure to your business that will allow you to then attract your 1,000 true fans and start to grow and expand your revenue so you're hitting your target goals. It's my 30-day no hustle business plan. It's a 4-week step-by-step checklist with strategy and all the stuff you need in it to go from, again, no idea of what you would sell or who you would sell it to, and no following, to making money in 30 days and having a trajectory for your business moving forward. There are amazing tools today to allow you to build your 1,000 true fans, tools that didn't even exist the way they exist now back in 2008 when Kevin Kelly wrote this original article. So I want you to have this guide because it's the perfect way to start building your true fans, start building an income off of what you know, what you love, what you're good at, where you can help people. And it's easy. It's easy to read, it's easy to implement. It takes work, but not a lot of hustle. That's why it's called the No Hustle Business Plan. If you have 30 minutes a day, you can put this into practice. So get it for free. Just hit the link below this video or go to grahamcochrane.com/30 days and grab it there. This will be the beginning of your journey. And wherever you are on this journey, keep the math simple. What's your target income? How many people do you need at $100 a year? Or If you could sell 200 bucks a year to a person, how many people do you need to reach your goals? Do the math, figure out what that is for you, and then take action towards getting your first true fan. Don't worry about the 1,000 yet. Get your first, your second, your 10th, your 100th, and it will grow and it will grow. You can change your life. You can have a lot of fun doing it. It's a wonderful time to be a business owner right now. So jump on board with us. Download the guide if you're stuck and you want to get started. I think it'll help you out a lot. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to this channel, my friend. I'll see you on another video real soon.